Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 20A. One question is written here, question number 8. In this question, the length and breadth, the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are in the ratio 5:3. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are in the ratio 5:3. If the total cost of fencing it at rate rupees 24 per meter is rupees 9,600. Find its length and breadth. So length and breadth are given in the form of ratio 5:3. So let L equal to 5x and B equal to 3x. Let length equal to 5x and breadth equal to 3x. And also given the total cost of fencing. Fencing, that means perimeter of a rectangular field. So fencing it at rupees 24 per meter is total cost is rupees 9,600. So let fencing, that means perimeter. Perimeter equal to total cost by rate of fencing equal to rupees 9,600 is the total cost divided by rate is rupees 24. 4 time divided 24 for the 96, so 400. Perimeter is 400. According to question, P equal to 400 meter. That implies 2 into L plus B equal to 400 meter. That implies 2 into L 5x and B 3x equal to 400 meter. That implies 2 into 5x into 3x equal to 8x equal to 400 meter. Now that implies 8 to the 16. So 16x equal to 400 meter. That implies x equal to 400 meter by 16. 4 for the 16 and 100 for the 400 and 25 for the 100 equal to 25 meter. The value of x is 25 meter. So find length. Therefore length equal to 5x equal to 5 into 25 equal to 125 meter, and breadth equal to 3x equal to 3 into 25 equal to 75 meter. It is the length and breadth of this rectangular field. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 9. In this question, find the length of the largest pole that can be placed in a hall. 10 meter long, 10 meter wide and 5 meter high. In this question, we have to find the length of the largest pole which can be placed in a hall. The length of this hall is 10 meter and breadth 10 meter and height 5 meter. So L equal to 10 meter, breadth equal to also 10 meter and height equal to 5 meter. Therefore, the required length of the pole, equal to diagonal of the room, here hall, diagonal of the hall, equal to, the formula is the diagonal of the hall or room is under root L square plus B square plus H square equal to under root 10 square, length is 10 meter plus breadth is also 10 meter, so 10 square plus height 5 meter, so 5 square equal to 10 square 100, next 10 square means 100 plus 5 square is 25 equal to 100 plus 100 plus 25 equal to 225. Students, the square root of 225 is 15. So the length of the required pole will be 15 meter. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 11. In this question, find the area of a square. Find the area of the square, the length of whose diagonal is 172 cm and 2.4 cm. Find the area of the square, the length of whose diagonal is 72 cm and 2.4 meter. So first of all, I have solved question number 1. Diagonal equal to 72 cm. Therefore, area of the square is 1 by 2 into diagonal square. 1 by 2 into diagonal square. So 1 by 2 into 72 square equal to 1 by 2 into 72 multiply here 72 into 72. 2 to the 4 and 7 to the 14. 2 7 the 14 of 4. 2 7 the 14 of 4 carry 1. 7 7 the 49 plus 1 50. 4 plus 4 8. 1 plus 0 1 and 5. 5184. 5184 cm square. It is divided by 2. So 2 2 ja 4 carry 1. 2 2 ja 4 1 1 11. 2 5 ja 10 1 8. 2 9 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18 and 2 2 ja 4 equal to 2592 cm square answer. Next question is 2 whose diagonal is 2.4 meter. Diagonal equal to 2.4 meter. So area, therefore area of the square equal to 1 by 2 into diagonal square. So 1 by 2 into 2.4 meter square equal to 1 by 2 into 2.4 meter square means a square of 2.4 is 5.76 meter square. It is divisible by 2. So 2 2 is 4. Carry 1. 1 7 17 decimal. 2 8 is 16. 1 6 7 16. 2 8 is 16. Equal to 2.88 meter square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 13. In this question, the area of a square field is 1 by 2 hectare. The area of a square field is 1 by 2 hectare. Find the length of its diagonal in meters. Here given the area of a square. Area of a square field equal to 1 by 2 hectare. Students, 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. So 1 by 2 into 10,000 meter square. 10,000 divided by 2, so 5,000 equal to area of a square field is 5,000 meter square. Now find the side of a square. For finding diagonal of a square. So a side of a square field. Side of the square field is under root area equal to under root 5,000 equal to 5,000 written as 2 into 2,500 equal to a square root of 2,500 is 50. So that means 50 root 2 meter. Side of the square field is 50 root 2 meter. Now therefore the length of diagonals. The length of its diagonal. Length of its diagonal equal to root 2 into side equal to root 2 into 50 root 2 meter. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 50, 2 into 50 equal to 100 meter. Answer of this question. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 28, question number 8 to 13. Thank you. That's all.